In this video, I want to introduce you to what kind of marketing you should be doing before the event to build buzz.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Of course, you should already be doing the exciting headlines and the SEO and all those sorts of things, of course. But before the event, what you want to do is encourage early signups, because the early signups encourage other signups, because nobody wants to go to a party where no one is coming. People want to go to a party where people are already signed up to come. And when I say party, that's a figure of speech. This doesn't apply only to parties types of event. This applies to most types of event, but it's just people don't want to attend events with no one else attending. People want to attend things that are buzzing and that are having excitement, and they're seeing other people like it too. So it's essentially social proof. And to incentivize this social proof and early signups, what you can do is early ticket price discounts. You can send out an email and you can say, if you get your ticket a month in advance, you'll have like 50% off, and then you'll have early bird pricing. And then 2 weeks from then, you can remind them and say, hey, here's your last chance, and then another last chance and another last chance. And then the prices are going to go full price, and then there's a limited seating. So there's all kinds of scarcity tactics. Oh, like there's almost no more seats left. Sign up now. And then when the event is full and it's full price, you can say, oh, we just released like 5 more tickets. Sign up quickly. If you missed your chance, now is your last chance. And these are all kinds of things that you can do to, as you get closer to the event, notify people through email, through social media, that it's their last chance to get the cheaper prices, to get seats to the event. It's filling up and they need to act now, because otherwise people will procrastinate and forget it. Another thing you can do is, if you have any announcements like interesting speakers or big name speakers or interesting sponsors, you can also send those as announcements, because speakers and brands, they draw attention and they can draw people to your events and make your events seem that much cooler. So these are things you can and should be doing before the event to encourage early attendance, which will in turn get more other people to sign up as the event nears.